Hello, my dear class. So I'm going to make a video to show you how we're going to do the work for today. So I hope you're ready. Um, and today what we'll do is a reading, and then you'll answer some questions in the book. And if all goes well, you will post some ideas on Canvas. So let's see how to do that, and I'll take you through the process. Give me 1 second. Hi again. Okay, so we're on the main Canvas page. Now what you'll do is you'll take your mouse, you'll go to Announcements, and then there's an announcement that says Work for Tuesday, 3:10. That's the one that you want for today, so we'll click on that. Now it has the instructions there and what to do. Now this is the important thing. Down here under the message that I wrote, you will see this. What I'd like you to do is click on that, and then what you can do is open it up by clicking down here at the bottom, at least on mine. You can read the story, and then here's some vocabulary exercises for you to do, and then there's that. Okay, so now let's find out what to do next. Okay, so you got the work done. Now you want to see what your answers, if they're right. So what you'll do is you'll go back to Canvas, go back to Announcements, and then here it says Answers to Love Under Siege. This is where you want to look. So I'll click here. Here are the answers, and that's the answers there. All right, now the next thing that we're going to do is this. So the work for today, it says read a story, do the activities on 132 and 133, and those are the answers that I just showed you. Then check the answers, and then it says here, go to discussions. Look to the left and find the discussion for Love Under Siege and leave a response. Okay, where are discussions? Discussions, if you follow the mouse, are right over here. So we'll click on that. And it says discussions, Love Under Siege. So I'll click this. Hello everyone, this is a place for you to write what you thought about the story. You can tell if you liked the story or didn't like the story. Make sure to explain why you liked or didn't like the story. Did this story make you think of anything else? What did it make you think of? Tell us your thoughts here and check back to see what other people write. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here, and you'll type your response. Dun 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 dun. So I really liked. Oops. I really liked the story. It made me think about how hard it must be for people, blah, 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 blah. So I'll let you write out your response, but this is just an example. And then you just hit post reply, and then da-da, there you go. You've got it. So I hope that this all works out for you, and I will be checking the discussion thread later today to see if you've written back. So thanks everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll talk to you next time. Okay, until then, bye-bye.